Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing London Bridge Resort. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool, non-smoking rooms, family rooms, bar and a beachfront. London Bridge Resort. This lakefront resort in Lake Havasu City, Arizona features a 9-hole golf course, on-site dining and a splash pool with a waterslide. It also offers spacious suites with a kitchenette. All suites offer private bedrooms and a separate living room with a dining table. Cable TVs, free Wi-Fi are included. Each suite is individually decorated. A marina and boat dock are on site at London Bridge Resort. Boat rentals, including jet skis, paddle boats and canoes, are also available. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.